Assalamu alaikum, dear kids. Today, inshallah, you will enjoy a very much interesting story of Hassan. Hassan is a very curious boy. He was living in the city of Glasgow, Scotland. Hassan was a curious and kind child. He loved to explore the world around him, always eager to learn and help others. One day, Hassan set off on an adventure to a lush green meadow. The meadow was a magical place filled with colorful flowers. Hassan's heart is very much kind, and he always take care of all creations of Allah Almighty. Yes, as he wandered through the meadow, Hassan came across a tiny injured bird lying on the ground. His one wing was injured. Hassan's heart filled with compassion. He remembered the teachings of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam about kindness to all creations of Allah Almighty. He remembered a hadith. In this hadith, our Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "There is a reward for helping any living creature." In another hadith, our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Whoever is kind to the creatures of God, he is kind to himself." So, with these words echoing in the mind of Hassan, Hassan gently scooped up the bird and cradled it in his hands. He brought the bird in his home. He created a small cozy nest from soft clothes and placed the bird inside. Each day, Hassan fed the bird with grains and water, speaking to it in soothing tone. Slowly, the bird began to heal and its strength returned. One day, as Hassan was feeding the bird, his grandfather approached him. "Hassan, my dear, your kindness is a light in this world. Allah sees and loves your compassion for His creatures." He smiled. Hassan beamed with happiness that his grandfather is supporting and loving his actions. As the days passed, the bird's wing healed completely. One beautiful morning, Hassan took the bird back to the meadow. Yes, he whispered to it, "It's time, oh little bird, for you to fly again." With a joyful chirp, the bird spread its wings and soared into the sky, circling above Hassan as if to say, "Thank you, my dear Hassan." Hassan watched in awe as the bird flew higher and higher until it disappeared into the blue sky. Hassan felt a deep sense of fulfillment and peace in his heart. He realized that taking care of Allah's creatures was not just a responsibility, but a source of immense joy and blessings. From that day on, Hassan continued to spread kindness wherever he went. He helped stray animals find shelter, planted trees to provide homes for birds, and he encouraged his friends to treat all living beings with respect and love. Yes, he motivated his friends to treat all living beings with respect and love. What is the moral lesson of this story? Let's read. My dear students, treat every living being with kindness and love. Yes, what we should do? Every creation of Allah Almighty